A photoelectric surface is illuminated successively by monochromatic light of wavelength, first by lambda and then by lambda by 2. And if the maximum kinetic energy of emitted photoelectron in first case is 1/3 of that in the second case, then the work function of surface of material is, see what is given here, that we know Einstein's photoelectric equation, maximum kinetic energy is equal to h nu minus of omega 0, where omega 0 is what, photoelectric work function, and it was given that the maximum kinetic energy in the first case and maximum kinetic energy in the second case, what is the relationship between them? Maximum kinetic energy in the first case is equal to 1/3 of maximum kinetic energy in second case. It means here we can write the two different equations, that K E max for first case upon K E max for second case is equal to h nu minus of omega 0, h nu minus of omega 0, which is equal to what, h into c divided by lambda minus of omega 0, because we are using light of wavelength lambda. And in the second case, say here it is h nu dash, or here 1 and that of 2, h nu 2 minus of omega 0. So what is the nu 2 is given, nu 2 is equal to c by lambda 2, and it is hc divided by, now that frequency of incident radiation in terms of wavelength, c divided by lambda 2, but what is the value of lambda 2 given? In the second case it is lambda by 2, so hc divided by lambda by 2. Lambda by 2 means that 2 comes in numerator, 2 hc by lambda minus of that photoelectric work function omega 0 is same. But we know Ke1 is equal to 1/3 of Ke2, therefore 1/3 of Ke2 divided by Ke2. So this Ke2 get cancelled with Ke2, and that is equal to hc by lambda minus omega 0 upon 2 hc by lambda minus of omega 0. So 1 by 3, so take this 1 by 3 is equal to hc by lambda minus of omega 0 upon 2 hc by lambda minus of omega 0, cross multiply it. So what we will get, 2 hc by lambda minus of omega 0 is equal to 3 into hc by lambda minus of omega 0. So multiply this by 3. So what we will get, it is equal to 3 hc by lambda minus of 3 omega 0, minus of what, 3 omega 0. So what we will get here, 2 hc by lambda minus of omega 0 is equal to 3 hc by lambda minus 3 omega 0. Now take this 2 hc by lambda to the right hand side and minus 3 omega 0 to the left hand side. So what we will get, 3 omega 0 minus of omega 0 is equal to 3 hc by lambda minus of 2 hc by lambda. Now what is 3 omega 0 minus omega 0? It is 2 omega 0, and 3 hc by lambda minus 2 hc by lambda means it is hc divided by lambda. Therefore omega 0 is equal to, take this 2 in the denominator, it is hc divided by 2 lambda, hc divided by what, 2 lambda. So which option is correct? Option D is the correct option for this question.